I'm going to teach you how to make a Persian tea loaf. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven. Then prepare strong hot Earl Grey tea and stir in the brown sugar. Add some dried fruit to include apricots, figs, sultanas. I moved everything to a medium bowl for convenience. Give it a little mix and let everything sit for at least 1 hour. Crush cardamom pods, separate the husks and the seeds, take the seeds and grind them into a fine powder. In a large bowl, combine the self-raising flour, the finely ground pistachios, and eggplant cameo, the cardamom seeds. There's another eggplant cameo here. Our camera woman was obsessed. Add rose water to the dried fruit mixture and pour the dried fruit mixture into the flour mixture. Stir until combined. Gently fold in 2 beaten eggs. Once that's done, transfer to a greased 900 gram loaf tin, level and bake for 1 hour 20 to 1 hour 30 minutes until an inserted skewer comes out clean, like so. For the icing, sieve the icing sugar into a medium bowl. I whisked in a little double cream, then slowly added in chilled water until I achieved a slightly runny consistency. Then add a few drops of pink food colour. Now the cake should be cool, turn it out, and once it's completely cool, pour the icing on top like so. Chop up some pistachio, pick some rose petals, and decorate it to get that. Mwah.